Hello. So I thought I'd record a little bit of a walkthrough of the expressions for the iControl forms. And you'll have to excuse my voice at times. I'm still a little bit under the weather, but should be able to make this work. So what you do is you log into iControl and you can use the forms.stage in order to get to the stage web app. And what you'll start doing is that you'll go to the admin section. And once you've pressed on the admin section, you get templates. And once we're inside the template section, we can now create a new template. And then we can have something along the lines of testing expressions. And can add a group. And then we can say, let's just create an issue. So let's say that this is like a GitHub issue, and GitHub issue should probably have some form of text, like issue description, and then we can have something like signature, because we need to represent closed and that sort of thing. We can have, let's just add a multi-select for the closed stuff. So we'll say status and we'll make that custom, and we'll say open and closed. All right, so we have the description, we have a status. Let's say that we had a photo as well, or like image. All right, so let's say that we have this GitHub issue and we want to say that only, let's see, what do we want to do? Something simple. It won't make a lot of sense, but just for the sake of simplicity, let's just say that if the status is open, then the image should be visible, and if it's closed, then we don't show the image anymore. And that doesn't make a lot of sense for a GitHub issue, but just to show what an expression is. And I thought before I go into any like technical description of what an expression is, I just show you, because it's quite quite intuitive if you just get to see it in front of you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and change the visibility for this field. So I don't want the image to be displayed if the status is closed. So I will check the status field. So what field? There's a couple of built-in commands, so to say, a couple of functions. And field val, the value of a field is 1. And what we want then is for the value of the status field to be equal to open for it to be visible. So I'll copy the ID of that. And so I'm going to do a set equals on. So the value of field val will return one of those two IDs, which should then be equal to this. So this is set equals, which is another function. It will take the first argument, the value of that first argument, extract that, and once extracted, it will return either that ID or that ID. And then set equals will take the first set of values here and then compare that to this set of values. And if they're equal, well, then this image field should be visible. So we'll get started with this. So I'll save, publish, I'll create a report. So as long as it's open, the image will be displayed. If it's closed, it won't be. So that worked, and we can upload an image just for fun and show that it will be hidden if we close. So I'll close it, and the banana is not visible anymore.